What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Eric Go, otherwise known as Oh No, It's Eric Go, coming at you guys with another car video here in the Philippines. Today, we're at Autocon Manila, the very first show put on by BeepBeep.ph, and we're here to check out some amazing cars. Let's go see what the car culture and the car modification culture is here in the Philippines. While there's a model on this GTR, I just want to really not focus on that right now, but the fact that this GTR was originally a right-hand drive car, and they did a pretty good conversion to make it a left-hand drive car. So as you guys know, these cars were never ever made in left-hand drive configuration, and they did some trick work here, basically rewrapped the dashboard. Even the wiper cowl now has the wipers going that way. The holes in the firewall have been moved, and of course, it's a pretty clean R34. Roaming the streets here in the Philippines, completely legal. And yeah, that's basically it. Have a look. The car scene in the Philippines is absolutely crazy, ladies and gentlemen. From all-out stereo builds on Hondas, to lifted Ford trucks, to OG Datsuns roaming the road. And don't forget some of the JDM culture inspiring these cars over here. Like this expander that I think is on air. Well, I hope it's on air. Or this Toyota BB. Now, just to mention, ladies and gentlemen, some of these cars are actually converted from Japan surplus. So that means they were originally right-hand drive. They've been cut up at the firewall. They've been cut up at the dash. And some evidence is here. You can kind of see where they redid the cowl. Overall, though, not bad. Got a Honda City over there. Some custom paint. Super cool FJ. It's been set up with its entire camping setup. And also this, I believe, Chevy? Yeah. Chevy Trailblazer. Onto more common cars, the Toyota Vios. This is the newest model. It's been lowered all the way to the ground. Of course, Kuya over here's got to keep it clean.
For those of you who might be wondering where the Miss Philippines title holders are, we're currently of the president of the Miss Philippines Foundation and the overall chairman of Miss Philippines Tournament. We have with us Mr. Vic Torre. Sir Vic, good afternoon. Sir Vic, pwede ba natin imbitahin yung mga tao kasi medyo malapit na?
Of course, you viewers know that the Philippines loves everything American, so what would the Philippines be without some Ford pickup trucks? If that's too big, maybe you want to go a little bigger. Crazy. These don't even fit on the roads here, ladies and gentlemen, but this is clearly a big part of culture here in the Philippines. I don't know why they want to be American, but have a look. cool car that we don't have in America is this Ranger, and it's actually the Raptor model. I think they're bringing this to America soon, but we've had it here for quite some time now. How cool is this?
Alright, we're moving on to the next one.
Really digging this Land Cruiser that was never sold in the Philippines but magically found its way in. Pretty sure it's from the Middle East. Probably from Dubai. Isn't that just nice? I don't think it's ever been off-road though. Some of the classic cars here in the Philippines, ladies and gentlemen, are absolutely amazing. I just want to zoom in and take a look at some of the craftsmanship here. And of course, before we even get started with all the classic cars behind me, this one's the first one that I've seen. The classic Toyota Starlet. Look how clean that is. He even has the parts catalog right there in the passenger seat. And as you guys can see, there's actually a little nameplate there, Delta Motor Corporation. So just a quick little history lesson. For those of you guys that don't know, before Toyota officially came into the Philippines, they were imported by Delta Motors, and that's why we have that little mini Land Cruiser as well, exclusive to the Philippines. And this is just an example of one of the relics here that used to roam the roads. And I hope that someone still drives this today. But this is a 1972 Toyota Corolla Coupe. Just look at how clean that is. Gotta love it. And the paint is absolutely amazing. This Lancer Cyborg is absolutely amazing. As you guys can tell, originally it was a JDM car. It even still has the stickers, and you can tell that at one point in time, it was right-hand drive. It even has the alarm sticker still there. It is absolutely clean. It's been converted absolutely impeccably to left-hand drive, so it's legal here in the Philippine market. And just have a look at how clean that is. All the manuals and the documentation right there. Super, super clean. Ladies and gentlemen, pay no attention to the annoying announcer in the background, but have a look at this amazing Mark II. And it's hiding a little bit of a surprise under the hood, actually. Take a look at that conversion.
So our first stop, as you can see, is on the
If that's not kind, or if that's not your type of classic, take a look at this crown. What a boss if you drive one of these. It's just a taste of Philippine history, ladies and gentlemen. If this is too out of your league, or if it's too expensive,
So again,
this classic Lancer from back in the day, these used to rule the roads of the Philippines.
And we'll be going around.
And have a look, it's beautifully restored.
Ladies, I think, are prepared
Even
for
with the
that.
original owner's manual right there on the dashboard. Manual transmission.
Are you guys ready to do a walk of fun? All right, so follow us. We're going
So
to
clean.
the next station.
That washer bottle looks like it's never had fluid in it.
This is David Street's.
Actually, my mistake. I don't think it's ever been registered or driven. Can't tell what the mileage on the dash is. Can't open the door. this is absolutely clean.
Let's give it up for the ladies. Hindi na po akin ladies kasi I'll be such an eyesore to you beautiful ladies. I'll be staying here. Thank you so much for gracing Philippine Autocon 2019. Are you guys ready to roam around? But before that,
So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little peek of the car culture here in the Philippines. Once again, I want to give a big shout out to Visor.ph for putting on this amazing classic car show you see behind me, and also for BeepBeep.ph for putting on not only this little car show, but this amazing event. Literally, this 4-day show was absolutely crazy. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a little sneak peek of the car modification culture here. Old cars, new cars, JDM cars, USDM cars, trucks, big ones, small ones, you name it. So again, if you guys want more car videos, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Oh No It's Eric Go, and on YouTube, same thing, Oh No It's Eric Go. Hit that bell, subscribe. Hi! Thank you guys so much, and see you guys in the next one. Take care. Ladies and gentlemen, quite possibly the best thing about going to these car events is looking at all the nice cars in the parking lot and realizing that I don't even have a car to drive, so I had to book a cab. Hi Kuya. Afternoon.